Hey, let's make some cookies tonight. This is a small batch recipe and it has some very nice ingredients. We're going to use a cup of almond butter. We're going to use one large egg, a half a cup of brown sugar, a teaspoon of baking soda, about a half a cup of chocolate chips, and also a quarter cup or so of honey roasted cashews. Alright, those are all the ingredients. We're going to put them in the KitchenAid mixer here and mix it up real quick and bake it in just a few minutes. My kind of recipe. Alright, let's start with the brown sugar. Half a cup of packed brown sugar going in the bowl. And then we're going to add one large egg. I'm mixing all the ingredients together, nice and easy. Did you notice there's no flour? Well, this is a gluten-free recipe too, by chance. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. We need a cup of almond butter. And when you open the almond butter, sometimes you'll see the oil on top. And you can see how firm it is, right? This is part of why you don't need to add flour to this to make this cookie into a nice little firm bite-sized nugget. So let's get a cup of almond butter here. And this is a fresh jar. You can see how thick it is. We will be stirring this oil into it as we take it out of the jar, but normally you would stir it up a little bit with a knife or a large spoon. And this company, Justin's, I think they do a great job of grinding the almond butter. They're not all the same, but this is a really nice one that I like to buy, even in little packets for snacks. That's nice. When you use almond butter, sometimes it makes the baking items a little bit dark. They almost look like chocolate. Alright, that's before I add the chocolate chips and the cashews, I'm going to mix this up real good. Alright, I'm going to scrape the sides of the bowl using my KitchenAid mixer, which doesn't mess around. It makes very quick work of mixing some stuff that's mixing this. Would take a long time to mix it by hand, but if you have a stand mixer or just a hand mixer, it helps with getting this done nice and quick. I'm going to add a healthy half cup of chocolate chips. Alright, there's a healthy quarter cup of honey roasted cashews. And they're going to break up a little bit in there. Ooh, it smells good. mixed in pretty well. So now we're going to form them into balls and put them on a cookie sheet. Let that fall off the mixer. Nice. I'm going to preheat my Kasori toaster oven right now, and I'm going to heat it up to 350 degrees. In the meantime, I'm going to get a baking sheet with some parchment paper. Alright, I used this ice cream scoop to make everything uniform in size, and then as you put them on the sheet, just press down with the back of the scoop to make it a little bit more flat. Alright, our oven is preheated. Can you hear the beeping? Alright, that's our first tray. Let's put it in the oven and see how they bake. Can't wait to taste these. I'm using the Kasori toaster oven here, which is also an air fryer oven. We'll use it on the baking mode, and so we're going to have it at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. Alright, let's take a look. 10 minutes have gone by, and you see the nice crackly looking tops on these. That's what we're hoping for. Alright, I'm going to take them out and let them cool. Oh boy, it smells good in here. Okay, take a look. See how nice and brown they are from that almond butter. Look inside. They're soft inside and crispy on the outside. Loaded with nuts and chocolate chips. Give it a try. Hope you like it. That recipe is a winner. Yummy. Thanks for watching.